So hello, welcome to Coin Collecting Channel, and today we have a 1979 Indonesian 10 rupiah. This is alongside the 1971, so the first 10 rupiah they issued, and these had equivalent values, but the decline in the currency meant that they changed it from a copper nickel to an aluminium coin. And this is the actual coin here. So it went from 16 millimeters, 1.77 grams, up to 25 millimeters and 1.9 grams. So even though it's aluminium, it did increase the weight, but not by much. And we have a thickness of 1.8 millimeters, so it's actually a bit thicker, and it's also rated. But because it's aluminium, these get damaged quite easily because aluminium is a softer metal than copper and nickel, especially nickel. Nickel's very hard. So on this side, we just have Bank Indonesia, 10 rupiah, and a date. And this is the last year which they did mint this coin, although it's a frozen date, so it was minted over quite a few years. An interesting thing about this coin, which I like, it's the only reason why I like it, is the actual triangles in the side. And you can see the triangle's not flat, it goes on an angle on the side as well, so that's very interesting. Probably makes the coin a bit more expensive than what it should be. On the other side, we have an oil lamp in the middle. So here's the actual handle. This is where you put oil in at the top. And here's, looks like it's got flames coming out, so you can actually light it. It's like a candle. And we have in Indonesian, save to support development. So this is a FAO issue, so to encourage production of products. And once again, on the side, we have the triangles, which makes this coin a lot better. And this was demonetized in 1996. So the mintage we have is 285,670,000. So a very common coin. Once again, as I said, it was minted over a few years, and it was minted in Peruri in Indonesia. So Indonesia has their own mint, they make their own coins and banknotes. So you'll be paying probably about $2 to $3 for one of these coins by itself. If you buy it in a group of a lot of Indonesian coins, you're probably paying $1 or less. So that's why I encourage, just buy a bulk lot of Indonesian coins, take what you want out, and then sell the rest. So I hope this helps you with Indonesian coins. Thank you and goodbye.